how to make your phone number hide in your Samsung phone. So if this video have helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel and as well clicking that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So let's go and see. So what you need to do first is see that three dots there, just tap on it, and once you have tapped on it you would see some options there and you would choose the option settings. Once you have once you have entered the settings, go to supplementary services. So you can see here I have encircled it, and once you have that, go to show my caller ID. If you see it, just tap on it and you will see options like this. And of course you want to hide the number. What we would do is tap on that hide number option. And that's it for this tutorial. So I hope this helps and thank you for watching.